Good afternoon, folks. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We're doing a review today on a Quantum Edge 3 Stretto. This is the smaller version of the Quantum Edge power chairs. This one has electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, 1 mile. Good afternoon, folks. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility again. We're doing a review or a presentation today on a nice Quantum Edge 3 Stretto power chair with 1 mile. This power chair has the electric tilt, the electric recline, the electric legs. No seat lift. So tilt, recline, and legs. 1 mile, purple in color. Beautiful power chair. This is the top of the line. If you're looking for a power chair for in your home, most chairs are 24, 25, 26. This one is 22 inches. From here to here is 22 inches. So it gives you more maneuverability in the house, and I think it's a couple of inches shorter from front to back also. So let's do the tilting, the recline, the legs, and you can do that with the joystick right here or with the switch box where my hand is. I'm gonna hit the first button. I'm gonna push it down, and you'll see the seat to start to go back. Now you have to hold it down for a second. This is called your tilt. When you tilt, that means your bottom seat goes back. So when it goes back, of course, it's going to take the legs, it's going to take the back, because they're all connected together. This is great if you want to reduce pressure off your bottom, pressure off your back. You just want to relax, or you want to have circulation in your legs, folks. So this is the full tilt. The next thing I'm going to show the feet. So the feet, there we go. Now everything's adjustable in this chair. So if you're 5 feet tall, 5'7", 6 feet tall, everything's adjustable. We can adjust these foot plate. We can adjust the frame. We can adjust the depth of the seat. Now if you want some circulation, that's pretty impressive, isn't it? But that's a little high. Let's just say you were halfway tilted. So let's just say that you were here, for example. Your feet would still be higher than your body, okay? So I'm gonna bring the foot plates, I'm gonna bring the tilt back down. We're gonna leave the legs out for a second. And the next one we're gonna do is called the electric recline. The electric recline is the back right here going back. So if you watch the back, it's called electric recline. Very quiet, isn't it? These chairs are so great. So if you ever need one of these, you're not going to be sorry. So this is what it would look like if you're laying in the chair. Okay, I'm going to bring we'll bring the legs back down and the back up. I'm hitting 2 buttons at once right now to speed up the process, but you can do 2 functions at once over here through the joystick with only 1 button on the joystick. I'm going to bring the legs all the way in to show you in the house what you're looking at for your best turning radius. So your legs are all the way in. So I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to do this, just to show you how it turns in your house. This would be your turning radius in your house. And while we've done that, let's look at the base on the chair. You'll be very impressed with that chair. This is the engineering in this chair is fantastic. You see this shock right here? There's 4 of these. There's 1 for each wheel. And if I pull back, you'll see the shock. You can see the shock moving. So this chair has a great suspension. It says right here on the frame, the chair weighs 353 pounds. So in case you all need to know that, 353 pound the weight of the chair, because there's a lot of metal, a lot of motors, okay? So that's the suspension there. This is a mid-wheel drive. What that means, your drive wheel is going to be in the middle of the front and back wheels, okay? These are 14-inch wheels. They're not going to mark your floor, just like the caster wheels are not going to mark your floor. When you have a mid-wheel drive, you're always going to have a front wheel on the ground and a back wheel on the ground to give you that suspension, and when you turn, the wheels will turn with the chair, okay? You have anchor points here and here. You have 4 of these around the chair to secure your chair. It's built into the chair. You have a motor for each wheel. So for each drive wheel. This one covers this wheel. There's the same thing on the opposite side. If I want to push this chair, you can see The only thing you have to do is turn the power off, because these are electric motors, so turn the power off, Go to your yellow handle, push it down, and look, you're in neutral, okay? That's how you do it. When you're done, put it back in gear, turn your power back on, and you're ready to go. Also, this chair has lights. You see the little button right here where my hand is? You might not be able to see it, but if I tap it, we have headlights. We have headlights and tail lights. So the chair has lights on the fenders, headlights and tail lights. And the button for that is right here. Turn it off. This chair is equipped with a swing away joystick, so if you want to get close to a dining table, you can just swing the joystick away from the front and you get a lot closer. It also has a drain cup holder that's removable. The arms flip up. The seat is 16 wide by 18 deep. It doesn't really matter, we can adjust these seats. But remember, if we make the seat a whole lot bigger, we can make it bigger, but if we make it a whole lot bigger, we have to move the arms out, and then you lose that 22 inches. Then you might as well go to a full-size Quantum, which is 24, 25 inches, okay? So this one here is set up for a medium, small, tall person, doesn't really matter. It does have a safety belt, memory foam cushions here and here, contoured headrest. The back of the chair, I don't know if there's anything to talk about the back. Nope. The foot plates have guards on them on each side, so keep your feet on the foot plate. They do flip up, so if you exit the chair, you can flip the foot plates up. And if you're going to go outside, you'd want to move them up a little bit. So if you're outside, you're going to be driving like this most likely, with the legs out a little bit. When you charge the batteries in this chair, this is not the charger, but we'll use this one. You just plug it here, and all chargers will plug under the joystick pretty much. And when the light turns from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. So let's recap what we have here. We have a fantastic power chair. So if you're looking for a smaller power chair, only 22 inches wide, and you want one that has a really good turning radius because it's a mid-wheel drive, so it turns on its own self, okay? This one has electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet, swing away joystick, flip up arm, drain cup holder, safety belt, headlights, tail lights, suspension, solid tires, adjustable headrest, anchor points. Very well built. So if you're looking for a nice power chair, here's another one. This is the Quantum Edge 3 Stretto, the smaller power chair. Top speed 6.2 miles an hour. Very easy to drive, very nice. And when you stop, it has built-in brakes. As you can see, it stops automatically. You can feel the suspension on this chick because it weighs 353 pounds. When you turn, it slows down when you turn. And it should have no problem in the grass. It never slow down. If you have good grass at your house, you know what I mean, as long as it's not sandy or mushy, the chair will go through the grass also. So this one here has 2 miles. It went from 1 mile to 2 mile. Literally brand new. It has electric tilt, electric recline, electric leg. It has the guard on the feet so your feet don't come off. You can see right there the guards. And these foot plates can be enlarged. They can be swung. They don't have to be together. They can be spread apart, the foot plates. You have a swing away joystick, flip up arm, coffee cup, beer cup. That'd be me. Solid tires, headlights, suspension, anchor points, safety belt, memory cushions. Top of the line. I'm 6 foot 185 right now, so it's almost fitted, and we have to drop the feet down a little bit so my feet are more level like this. But I could probably drive this chair. And the back would have to be a little bit taller for me since I'm 6 foot tall. So I'm assuming a person 5'7", it would be already set up for them. But as I said, we can adjust it. If you're 6 foot tall and you're skinny like I am, this chair would work for you. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.